One fine morning, Thomas was just finishing his breakfast when Bertie came steaming into the shed, puffing with excitement. Thomas, he said, there's a group of really angry women coming through the railway gates, and they're carrying signs like, Thomas is a sexist pig, and ban Thomas, and Thomas reinforces sex role stereotypes. Give me a look, said Thomas. What a bunch of ugly lesos.
When the bell they start to peal. Hey!
Wanna do my heart to the tempura. Oh, girl, go down mama song. Go down mama. Anybody that I like, hey, hey, I'm your choosy. Go down mama song. How? Hey, hey, anybody that I
Well, Tattoo, another plane load of rich, bored Americans who have come to Fanatasy Island to live out their ultimate fantasy.
I don't know, boss. Why don't they just hire one of those videos?
That's enough, Tattoo.
I got a new one full of pygmies and Amazonian women and what they do with
Shut up,
bananas.
Jonas! Miss Pippin Esterhazy, her fantasy to be the greatest athlete in the world today.
What you mean that great fat
Shut
pig?
up, Stumpy. And now, the famous American movie star, Mr. Rock Hardon. His fantasy to appear in a crappy American TV show with a hopelessly contrived premise, starring the world's worst actor and a midget. Tattoo, I think this will be our greatest challenge.
But boss, it's easy. All we
Shut
have
up,
to do is...
Bumbiter. My dear guests, welcome to Fantasy Island. Tattoo?
All in bed by 10, no talking after lights out, no putting cigarette butts in the toilet, it blocks up the septic. We're on tank water, so keep the showers to 2 minutes, and remember, we're in a family time slot, no bonking.
Well, Pippin, the day has finally come for you to realize your dream. To travel the 100 meters faster than any human being has ever done before.
But it doesn't seem possible.
Trust me, Pippin. This is Fantasy Island. Are you ready?
Yes.
Tattoo?
Okay, boss.
Ah!